कैसे तू गुनगुनाए मुस्कुराए, छोटी छोटी बातों पे मुंह फुलाए, ये नजाकत मेरी आदत पास मुझे लाए। नादानिया नादानिया खींचे मुझे, नादानिया 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 पागल करे तेरी हर अदा। Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Today we are going to do a song which is getting much popular on Instagram Reels. आपने ये song ज़रूर सुना होगा. The song is नादानिया, sung by अक्षत आचार्य. It's a beautiful song. मैं आपको girls and boys दोनों के scale पे chords बताऊंगी. Originally the song is in the key of F sharp minor, but we can make the chords easier by using a capo. Before getting into today's tutorial, I would like to mention regarding our live beginner guitar sessions. Our new batch is going to start from 1st July 2024. To enroll for these live classes, you may sign up on our website, which is www.priyadhingra.com, or you may contact us on the WhatsApp number given on your screens. Also, at the end of this video, I'll be reading out few comments from our recent videos Sajni and Dekha Tenu, so stay tuned with us till the end. Now, without any further ado, let us begin with today's tutorial. But before starting, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also, so that you can get all the notifications and updates for the upcoming tutorials. Let's start now. तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि गर्ल्स का स्केल क्या होगा. Girls will place the capo on the 4th fret, and you will play the chords A minor, G major, E minor, and F major. Now the scale for boys or the original chords. Originally the song is in the key of F sharp minor, but we can make the chords easier by placing the capo on the 2nd fret. So boys will place the capo on the 2nd fret, and you will play the chords E minor, D major, B minor, and C major. Let's compare these chords with my scale. जहाँ पर मैं A minor play करूँगी with the capo on the 4th fret. There boys will play E minor with the capo on the 2nd fret. जहाँ पर मैं G major play करूँगी, there boys will play D major. जहाँ पर मैं E minor play करूँगी, there you will play B minor. और जहाँ पर मैं F major play करूँगी, there you will play C major. So the scale for girls with the capo on the 4th fret, A minor, G major, E minor, and F major. And scale for boys, capo on the 2nd fret, and you will play the chords E minor, D major, B minor, and C major. Throughout the song I have used a fingerstyle pattern. Let's see how to play. On A minor chord, you will play the bass string, which is the 5th string, and then the bottom 3 strings together, and then tap. So bass string, bottom 3, tap. This is the pattern. With every chord, you will change the bass string. So for G major, the bass string is the 6th string. The bottom pattern remains the same. So for G major, you will play 6th string as the bass string, then bottom 3, and then tap. For E minor, bass string remains the same, which is the 6th string. And for F major, the bass string would be 5th string. कैसे तू गुनगुनाए मुस्कुराए, छोटी छोटी बातों पे मुंह फुलाए, ये नजाकत मेरी आदत पास मुझे लाए। नादानिया नादानिया. So this is how you will play this fingerstyle pattern with the song. Now if you don't know how to play a fingerstyle pattern, you can also play the whole song on a strumming pattern, which is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You will do the half rhythm. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. कैसे तू गुनगुनाए मुस्कुराए, छोटी छोटी बातों पे मुंह फुलाए, ये नजाकत मेरी आदत पास मुझे लाए। नादानिया नादानिया. So this is how you can play with the strumming pattern. आपको जो भी pattern comfortable लगे, you can play that. Let's move on to the song now. कैसे तू गुनगुनाए मुस्कुराए, छोटी छोटी बातों पे मुंह फुलाए, ये नजाकत मेरी आदत पास मुझे लाए। नादानिया नादानिया खींचे मुझे, नादानिया 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 पागल करे तेरी हर अदा। शामों सुबह तेरी याद करूं, तेरे ख्यालों से मैं बात करूं, तेरी नजर में ये कैसा नशा, तेरी आवाज में ये कैसा सुकून, दिल के सारे इशारों पे बस तेरा ही नाम है। कैसे तू गुनगुनाए मुस्कुराए, छोटी छोटी बातों पे मुंह फुलाए, ये नजाकत मेरी आदत पास मुझे लाए। नादानिया नादानिया खींचे मुझे, नादानिया 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 पागल करे तेरी हर अदा। So as I mentioned that I'll be reading out few of your comments from our recent videos. So the first comment is by Aisha Khan 4082. She says, "Ma'am, which mic you are using? Please tag it." So I'm using a wireless mic. This is mic 1. It comes with a set of 2 mics. It comes with a case like this with a Type-C connector. I will definitely tag the link for this mic in the description box. You can buy from there. Now the next comment is by always.nostalgic. इन्होंने लिखा है, "Ma'am, can you teach us tutorial for Punjabi songs?" Yes, of course, we can do the tutorial for the Punjabi songs. But please mention a specific song जिसका आपको tutorial चाहिए, because there are so many Punjabi songs. Now the third comment is by Rakesh 92963. इन्होंने लिखा है, "Ma'am, गिटार कौन सा यूज करते हैं आप?" So I'm using a Sunburst color guitar, this one, which I use for most of the videos. It's a Hongchan kind of brand which is not available online. But आप इसी range में you can go for some other brands like Yamaha or Fender. So you can go for some other options in the same range. Within 7 to 10K you can get many better options like Yamaha F280, Yamaha F310, या फिर फेंडर के भी काफ़ी ऑप्शंस आपको मिल जाएंगे इफ़ यू हैव दैट बजट. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट योर लवली कमेंट्स. इफ़ you like the video, then do give a thumbs up. You can post your short covers and short videos on our Facebook community page, which is Priya Dhingra Guitar Courses, or on my Instagram handle, which is Dhingraji. The links are mentioned below, you may check out. Before signing off, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also. I shall see you soon in the next tutorial. You all take care. Bye. कैसे तू गुनगुनाए मुस्कुराए, छोटी छोटी बातों पे मुंह फुलाए, ये नजाकत मेरी आदत पास मुझे लाए. नादानिया नादानिया खींचे मुझे ना